collector. Where my children?
My name no be collector, my name na blessing.
Your mama use you borrow money, so you be collector. You be my property. Where my children dey? Oba and Junior, where they? I never see them since for compound them.
Is the talking there?
I complain say heat dey do them.
Where they?
So I can't put them for inside fridge.
Ah!
They go cold there.
Obìnrin.
You put my children inside fridge. So because some say I want kill you, now you want first kill my own children.
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not?
Give me the key. Where the key? Where the key? Where key? Where key? Give me the fridge key. You get my put my children inside fridge. Can't lock them. You want suffocate them. You want make them die. Give me the key.
Nah. I don't throw away the key.
Hey!
Look at my face.
You don't throw away the key.
Nah.
The key to my fridge. And my children dey inside fridge. Where my phone?
Funka, don't see me. She what?
Never say anything.